sister. So without further ado, so right now I'm just taking my watermelon and cutting it into small cubes. Now you're just going to put them in your magical, hopefully not dirty blender. Okay, so now you're just going to take your lemon, or lime, preferably a lime, but a lemon was all I had. You're going to cut it in half, and you're going to use the whole lemon, not just the half. You're going to squeeze that all into your watermelon. Okay, so once you've added in your lemon, you're going to take your 2 tablespoons of sugar and put that into your 1 cup of water and pour that into your mixture. And once you've added all that together, you're just going to blend that until it's once you've mixed it all up, you're done. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.